To safely remove the slide from your P365, you need to push your magazine release, eject your magazine, lock back your slide, make sure it's empty, turn your safety off if you have one right here. Then you're going to push down on your takedown lever and lock it down, pull your slide back, then your slide should slide right off. You can do whatever work you need to do. If for some reason this takedown lever gets up like that, then you need to push your slide catch lever up right here. You push up on that and slide this back down, because this needs to be down in order to put your slide back on. This little safety pin right here can pop up, which keeps you from sliding this back on. So make sure this is down when you go to reattach your slide. Put your slide back on, lock it back like that, then release it, and you're done.